The Kids Microscope Kit M2000 offers an impressive range of magnification settings, from 40 times up to 2,000 times, which makes it perfect for young scientists eager to explore the microscopic world. With its adjustable LED brightness, this microscope ensures clear and vivid views at any magnification level, allowing children to see intricate sample details. The optical wide-angle eyepieces provide a bright and expansive field of view, enhancing the clarity of observations and reducing any edge darkness. Designed for comfort, the monocular microscope can be tilted up to 60 degrees, making it adaptable to different viewing environments and offering a pleasant viewing experience. Constructed with a robust all-metal body and a classic horseshoe-shaped base, this microscope is not only stylish but also built to last, ensuring stability during use. Ideal for educational purposes, the Kids Microscope Kit M2000 is a valuable tool for home, school, or laboratory settings, helping children and students uncover the fascinating details of biology.